Seat cover installation for the Alto K10, and this was done at Hyderabad Minister Road, and this was for a 2019 Alto, and the seat covers are made up of Rexine, and the choice and the preference, you'll get the catalog and you have to select it, and according to the preference they will hand stitch the seat cover, and then the installation is done. The to make the seat cover more perfectly fit, they also do the inside loop stitch so that it hugs the seat and it stays flush fit. Also, the seat cover quality varies, especially on the Rexine quality which is used. Overall cost for this is roughly around 7,000 rupees, which is on the expensive side because I have taken the top quality of Rexine, and the installation is done right in front of you. There are a lot of vendors who do this at Minister Road, but if you get to a person and strike a bargain, you can come to the right cost. And also depends on the number of workers who are available, because to fit and unfit the take out the seats and also to fit the seat cover, it's a three-man job. Apart from getting on the seat cover to the seats, you also have to remove the entire seat, and also you need to clip the seat to the original seat, the cover to the original seat, that also is there. So overall it was a job well done. It's just that the you need to spend at least 45 minutes to an hour for the seat covers to fit, or the fitting timing is almost close to 1 hour, so that you have to dedicate. Once when you place the order, the seat cover, you will receive a call, and after that this is when you have to go for the installation, because if you are hand picking the material and the design as per the model number of the car, they hand stitch this, and based on that, once the stitching is done, they will call you for the installation. That's how it is. The rear seat, the bench seat, which is for the rear, at the bottom it is velcro, and it directly fits back of the seat, and there is no stitch. However, the other side, or the bottom portion of the seat, as you can see, is riveted with the clips, and likewise it is also done for the front seats as well. One thing that you have to keep in mind, that the front seat for the for the driver, there is an airbag sensor, the seat belt sensor, so that you need to unclip that, and you have to be careful that you are again putting it back. That is something that you have to be careful with. Apart from that, the only other challenge that came across was removing the driver's side seat, because the bolt to the seat is right in front of the transmission tunnel, so you need to wedge the transmission tunnel a little bit and then fit it.